Okay, everybody's been blowing air horns on the internet, on YouTube at least. Now I have one. I got off a friend of mine that works for Conrail, well now NS. It's part of a Leslie set. The horns, well, they were in a train wreck. There were 5, and or I guess maybe 6, I don't know. Anyhow, I salvaged 2 of them. I'm just going to blow the one. It's a deep air horn. It's loud, and I'm only going to blow it a couple times because my neighbors are going to complain. So, at that, we'll see what happens. Now, I'm only using 40 pounds of pressure, so usually it's 150 or 125 psi. This is only 40 psi. So it's a little, probably, lower tone than what it should be. So at that, let's see what happens. One more time, and then we're done. And there you have it. They're called air chimes. That's what it says on the back of the horn.